Hey Daily Davers, Alick here. My day is going amazing, having a lot of meetings here at our office. We'll have exciting news tomorrow. Bye.
Hey, how's it going? So, yesterday I worked on the KYC and whitelisting process. We also released version 1.2 of the Missions app. You can actually go to missions.io and try it out yourself. Let us know what you think on the Telegram, and you can also participate and contribute to it on GitHub. This release actually has code from 16 different people from the community who helped make this release happen. Today I met with the CTO of Bancor. We're basically just discussing smart contracts, contract security, gas costs, different blockchains. It was a lot of fun and very interesting. I'm going to be continuing my work on the KYC and whitelisting process and working with Lior on the technology page. See you tomorrow.
Hello everyone. So I'm really wired right now. I had 3 espressos less than 2 hours ago, and the caffeine is just coursing through my veins. I'm ready to do another full day's worth of work. Haven't been to bed yet, so there's that. I guess that solution actually is quite effective. So let me give you my top 3. Today I spent some time in the Telegram channel. Always really enjoy that. I love engaging with members of the community. If you happen to be by and I'm available, I'm more than happy to answer any questions you have. So consider that an invitation. Also, we're getting lots of interest from community press, so YouTubers, etc., that are positioned in the blockchain space, the crypto space. So that's really great, really promising, and love talking to you guys as well. So I'm going to encourage that. And lastly, number 3, Alick and I spent some time today onboarding some help for the DAV Alliance, which is tremendous because it's exactly what we need right now. There's a lot going on. That's it for me for today. I feel like I have the nervous system of a squirrel right now, so I'm going to sign off, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
Hi guys. Yesterday I coordinated with Daniel on the content calendar, the videos that we've got coming out, so we know what's coming up and when those items need to get to you. Today I will be actually writing my own DAV Insider, answering those questions. You're going to be hearing from me about that pretty shortly. I'll also be reviewing some of our upcoming posts on Medium so that we can get those announcements to you as soon as we can. See you tomorrow.
Hey guys, so yesterday I had a product roadmap meeting with Noam and Tal, and I worked on a new feature for a floating window for the website for new releases announcements. And I also worked on the content for the new technology page. I continue to work on that also today. I already received the first designs for this page from our designer and started adding comments on it. And I worked also with Shahar on the new version that we're uploading for Missions app. We tackled some product issues there together, and I think this is it. Thanks guys.
Hi guys, today I've worked on the Missions app, mainly on the order page. We've added geocoding to both the pickup field and the drop-off field. So now you will be able to put in real addresses, and it also has auto-completion. So take a look at it and tell us what you feel. Thanks, bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here. So Friday of last week, a good amount of my time was spent making sure that we had all of our analytics honed in with our paid partner. Also did a good amount of work on, we have a Wikipedia page coming out, talking to DAV. Also did some work on the website, working on some new pages we have coming out as well, one of which is sort of the press and media section. Today the morning started off with a few meetings, had a meeting with Noam and our paid partner to walk through some metrics. Also worked on the Medium page as well, so we have some new content that's going to be posted this week per typical. Worked on the email template for that. Our fans have been, and the community has been really fantastic, so pushing out some additional content to everybody tomorrow on a new exciting advisor announcement, so stay tuned for that. And then also I had another really good advisor call with an enormous e-commerce company today. So that went really well, and that's for a potential advisor position. So a lot of good things happening. Thanks everybody, have a good one.